Imagine turning just $98 into a business that could pay you hundreds or even thousands of dollars every month without needing design skills, inventory, or even shipping products. In this video, I'll show you how you can start an online business today by reselling 12,000 plus ready-made wall art designs. Let's dive in. This is our wall art mega bundle. Inside, you'll find over 12,000 high-quality digital wall art assets. Everything from abstract designs and modern art to motivational quotes and kids' room decor. Normally, creating this much content would take years, but for just $98, you get instant access to an entire library you can resell. Let me show you the opportunity. If you go to Etsy right now and search printable wall art, you'll see shops making thousands of sales every month, selling simple digital downloads for $5 to $15 each. People love buying wall art online, and the demand is only growing. With our bundle, you can jump right into this market. No design experience required. Here's exactly how it works. Download your wall art bundle. Pick a design you like. Upload it to a platform like Etsy, Redbubble, or your own Shopify store. Write a simple product title and description. Publish, and your listing is live. When customers buy, they instantly download the digital file. No shipping, no packaging, no hassle. You get paid directly, and you can repeat this process as many times as you want. Let's talk numbers. Selling just one design a day at $10 equals $300 per month. Sell 10 per day, and that's $3,000 per month. And remember, you have 12,000 designs ready to go. You're not limited to one store either. You can upload on multiple platforms, creating multiple income streams from the same assets. Think about it. Thousands of other sellers are already doing this and making real money. The difference is, you don't need to spend weeks designing. You're starting with a massive head start, a full business in a box. Your only job is to upload and sell. This is the closest thing to a plug-and-play online business. Your online business journey starts with one step. With this wall art bundle, you already have the products. Now it's just about taking action. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the inside.